Mr. Apple, okay?
I'm going to make a YouTube channel.
Hello.
I am going to make a
I will give you infinite Robux if you like and subscribe.
Today we will introduce you to our teacher.
I'm going to make a YouTube channel and call it Mr. Nob. This is our classroom. I'm in school. This is our classroom. That is our classroom. We have aircon here. We have aircon. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So peace.